everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Valeria Wexler. I'm a registered nurse, face fitness expert, and a board-approved provider in manual therapy and bodyworks. And today's video is dedicated to facial asymmetry. I'm going to share with you a couple of techniques that will help you start balancing facial asymmetry. But if you want to dive deeper into a full routine and full transformation, I highly encourage you to check out my brand new facial asymmetry marathon, where for the next 7 days, for 10 minutes per day, we explore different routines to target different parts of the face that help balance facial symmetry. And in today's routine, we're going to start targeting our sternocleidomastoid muscles. Those muscles are usually quite tight for a lot of people, and they are the contributors to facial asymmetry, because if those muscles are tight, especially more on one side than the other, they start to cause issues within our lower part of the face, nasolabial folds, jowls, and so on. So let's go ahead and start with the first exercise. We're going to grab our sternocleidomastoid muscle from both sides. If you don't know how to grab it properly, lower your head slightly to the right diagonal direction and grab your right sternocleidomastoid muscle, come back to the center, and start massaging it out. We're going to start moving slowly with our fingertips from the center of the muscle and then making our way down to the bottom of the muscle. And not forgetting to breathe throughout this process, inhaling, collecting all the tension, and exhaling all the tension from our muscles. And then moving slowly to the top. The top is usually the most tight part, so you can stay there just a little bit longer, massaging out this muscle nicely. Inhale, exhale, and then come back to the center. Hold your muscle steady. Take an inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to move our head to the left side while our fingertips are getting separated away from each other, and we're elongating our sternocleidomastoid muscle out. Once you finish, gently tap on your muscle to calm the tissues down. And notice how much more open this side feels compared to the one we haven't massaged. You can even move your head from side to side, lower it, and notice the difference between range of motion from the side that we massaged and the one that we didn't. Let's repeat the same on the opposite side. Lower your head diagonally towards the left side, grab your sternocleidomastoid muscle, and come back to the center. Now massaging in the middle with our fingertips. Take an inhale. Exhale, and then massaging towards the bottom, staying here for a couple of seconds, and then making our way slowly to the top of the muscle and massaging it out here, taking an inhale, exhale. Notice how this side might be different. So if you have facial asymmetry more on one side than the other, you might feel a difference in the tightness of the muscles. Come back to the middle, take an inhale. And on the exhale, stretch your muscle outwards while your head is getting lower to the right side. Come back to the center and gently tap on the muscle to calm the tissues down. The next muscle group that we're going to relax is our masseter muscles, our chewing muscles. Those muscles become tight and also affect our facial symmetry, starts to affect our nasolabial folds and smile lines, our jowls, but also our hooded eyes, because these muscles are connected to the temporalis muscle, and temporalis muscle is affecting our hooded eye appearance. So let's relax our masseter muscles. We're going to open our mouth while our hands are gliding down towards our jawline. We're using the back of our fingers, and this is how it's going to look like. I'm staying closer to my ears, and I'm taking an inhale, and with the exhale, my mouth is slightly open, and I'm pressing my fingers into the chewing muscles. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Keep going. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. And notice how much more open this area feels. Now we're going to press with our fingertips into the indentation point, into our cheeks. Our mouth will be open, and we're going to press into the resistance of our fingers. This is where our chewing muscles are, and we'll hold this position for a couple of seconds. This exercise further relaxes our chewing muscles. Don't forget to breathe as well, and to not tighten any other facial muscles. Make sure that your shoulders are down and both of your feet are on the floor. When you're ready, come back to the center. notice the shifts. Notice how your jaw is feeling more relaxed and your mind feels more relaxed as well. And lastly, let's target our hooded eyes. If you have asymmetries in your hooded eyes, notice where you store more tension after doing the next exercise. And if you have more tension in a certain eyebrow or eye area, then spend a bit more time on that eye compared to the other. So we're going to surround our eyebrow from both sides with our index and thumb fingers, and we're going to massage it out. If you feel more, let's say, tightness in this area, then hold this area and then massage it out at the spot, and then keep going until you sculpt the whole eyebrow. If you have more tightness on one eyebrow compared to the other, then again, spend a bit more time on that eyebrow to relax it out. And in the beginning of your face fitness journey, it's normal to have a lot of tightness in facial muscles. Like I mentioned, if you want to relax your facial muscles and give yourself a full transformation, it's important to practice face fitness regularly with different routines so that different muscles get targeted and you achieve a nice balanced look. Let's do the same on the other side. Amazing. And then gently tap on your eyebrows to calm the tissues down. That's all for today's quick routine. I hope you're feeling more refreshed, more balanced, and rejuvenated. And like I mentioned, if you want to try my new facial asymmetry marathon, I highly encourage you to check out the link in my bio. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.